Today we're demonstrating this air-powered ATEX stacker truck, designed for use in flammable zoned areas where there could be a risk of fire or explosion. The unit's air-powered, so we have a pneumatic air line plugged into the unit. This is constantly powering up the system, giving us powered lift and powered drive via this tiller at the rear. We can lift IBCs, pallets or other objects with our forks at the front. These are stainless steel clad forks. And we also have on the right here a weigh scale display, which is ATEX rated, so I can see the weight of any object we lift with the unit. First of all, pull our tiller down with our air connected with our compressor on, so we're powered up, ready to go. Drive the unit forward by pressing our button on the rear. Bring it in against our vessel. We let go of the tiller when we're operating the lift and lower buttons to ensure we've got full power. Press our lift button. Once we've lifted our load, I can see on the weigh scale display here that we've got 926.2 kilograms. So that's the total weight of the IBC and the water that's inside it. We can drive around. And again, we can continue to raise the load. Air-powered systems for ATEX areas are very low maintenance. They're a great way of having powered units in a zoned area. And with this model, we can offer telescopic units, which are much taller to lift to high areas. We offer different capacities, and also, like I said, the weigh scale display is a good add-on feature where you need to weigh product before decanting them. We're now looking at the rear of the unit and all the controls. On my left, we have the airline connection, which is plugged into the side of the unit. We can plug it into the left side or the right side of the unit, depending on where the airline is in our building. We must always have the air connected to power the lift and lower and the drive function, so this machine needs to be always tethered to an airline. If we were to disconnect the airline or it was to be damaged and we had a load lifted to height, the load would be hydraulically locked in position, so there's no danger of the hose being disconnected and our load falling down. It would always be locked in position, making it very safe. Our tiller, we need to pull it down to make the unit operate, so it has to be in an operating range to be able to use the tiller. If we let go of it, the drive system is disabled. So we pull the tiller down. On the tiller, we have an emergency stop button at the rear. We also have a second one on the panel here at the top. We have forward and reverse push button controls, and we have a warning horn to warn pedestrians. On our rear panel as well, we have a speed control dial here, so we twist this clockwise to reduce the drive speed, and we turn it anti-clockwise to increase the drive speed. We have our weigh scale display, which is reading 0 kilograms, because we haven't lifted the IBC, it's currently on the floor. And if you press the lift button, you'll see the weight will increase. The IBC is full of water. We've got 926.3 kilograms of water. Takes a little bit of time to steady as the water's moving in the IBC. When we lower down to the floor, we'll get a 0 reading when we reach the ground. The display is ATEX rated, as is the battery pack. We can remove the battery pack. So it's a removable battery. We disconnect it here. It's a hot make connector, so we can disconnect it in a zoned ATEX area, no problem. We then simply lift the battery out with the cable, like so. And this needs to be charged in a safe area outside of the zoned environment. So we can take it away, put it on charge in an office or another room, and then bring it back and plug it back into the unit. Obviously we can supply spare batteries if you want an extra one.